Hi, my name is Dave. I'm the Director of Technical Learning at a small engineering and manufacturing company, and my rating for Docebo would be a 5. In terms of learning management systems, the main thing we had used before was Paylocity, and the learning management system is really kind of an add-on. It's not their core functionality, so we felt better using a product that was actually totally designed to be a learning management system, and that was its primary function. So we looked around at a couple of different options, but quickly decided that Docebo was going to be the best thing for our current size, but also for scaling up as we grow. We mainly chose Docebo just because it seemed really easy to get started. It had a pretty low barrier to entry, so we were able to get a full learning management system up and running quickly. And then it also seemed like it would be able to scale as our number of users grew. Their pricing model and just their scalability was pretty flexible, so that it would be good for us when we were a small company, and then it would be good as we grew to a larger company and had a larger customer base using it. So those were kind of the two things, like ease of entry and scalability. The third thing would be I liked how we could white label things. So we could make the environment look like what we want it to look like, and it looks like our company instead of looking like some sort of third-party thing that we would be kicking our customers over to use. So onboarding was really good and easy. We got a specialist from Docebo to help us over the course of several weeks, and it was very structured, and they gave us sort of homework each week so that by the end of the 6-week process, we would have a working system with courses and users and notifications and all those features set up. So they did a really good job of walking us through that. I would have them consider just sort of like what their goals are, what features they want to use, and the onboarding team with Docebo will help them. If they have a plan ahead of time for what they want the platform to do, it's quite flexible, so the Docebo team should be able to help them achieve those goals. But I think it's just good to think about it ahead of time and think, how do you want this to work? Because that way you can plan your onboarding and plan your build a little bit better and end up with what you want at the end, rather than sort of making it up as you go along.